Hello traders, Rich here, and here's a quick but detailed update on GBPAUD. As usual, if you like video analysis, let me know in the comments or simply leave a like. So let's get started. As we clearly see, GBPAUD has been overall bullish, making higher lows and higher highs, trading inside this rising channel, and we lately have been stuck inside a range between our blue support and green resistance. And we are currently approaching a strong resistance as we had multiple rejections from, and we lately also rejected the zone and we are trading lower. If we zoom into daily time frame, we can clearly see the shift in momentum. Previously we were bearish, the bulls took over, and then we've got a big range. Then we were slightly bearish, the bulls took over again, and last but not least, the bears took over here, and we are currently in a correction phase. That's why we are looking for this correction to catch the next impulse movement downward. We've got two possible rejections. The first one is from this low right there that the price is currently approaching, or we might be seeing an overextended correction to test the resistance zone again, which is also a supply zone now, as we had an aggressive movement downward from. Long story short, we rejected the resistance correction movements. We are now looking for the next impulse movement to push the price lower. If you zoom into H1 time frame, we were bearish and the correction started after breaking above this high, and we are currently in this correction waiting for the bears to take over again. And as per my trading style, we can see that we are forming a rising broadening wedge, so be waiting for the bears to take over again. For example, if we form a new swing low around the lower trend line, I'll consider it my trigger swing. We can also extend it to be like this if you want, and this would be my trigger. For those who know me, I always highlight it like this. And once this happens, once the bears take over, the sell will be activated and will be targeting a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio to have an edge over the market from a risk management perspective. Meanwhile, of course, GPAUD would be overall bullish inside a correction movement, and we can still trade higher and higher before forming a bearish reversal setup. That's it for today. Best of luck, and I'll see you hopefully tomorrow.